everyone.
Hi.
Well, welcome to our channel again and thanks for watching. If you have any recommendations for other videos, feel free to ping us in the comment section and we'll definitely create some videos for you. And well, Barry, what are we going to do today?
So today Aroa is going to be explaining stacks, what the heck is a stack, why you would use it, where you would use it in your project, and how it will make your life easier.
Yeah, it's a life changer, so keep on watching. Awesome, so here we are in Framer again, and today we're gonna explore the concepts of stacks. And the main difference is that today, instead of explaining the theory behind it, I'll start by a really common use case. So imagine I have to do this navbar, and I have to put these titles in order. Well, now I did it. They are all spaced kind of correctly. But then if I would like to move these, for example, lifestyle for news, I would have to kind of change it around, and it just takes a lot of time. So this is basically why Framer has stacks. So in this case, imagine, I don't know, I have my items, they are like a bit a mess. I just grab a stack and I wrap the items in a stack and they are automatically gonna be rearranged. And this is pretty useful because stack offers a lot of options of spacing. So for example, you can say, I wanna start it, distribute them at the start, and then you can add a gap, for example, or you can also just distribute them evenly. They're quite similar to the options Flexbox offers. So whoever is familiar with Flexbox, this is basically based in Flexbox and it is in your canvas. And something nice as well is that generally when we do navbars, nowadays we design for both desktop and mobile. So imagine now I wanna kind of do the same navbar, but I actually want it for mobile now. So I can just go here and say, change it like kind of these, and say, I want it vertical now, and that changes. This, a lifesaver, because now in a matter of a second, I could literally do a desktop navbar and a phone navbar. So this is how you use stacks. Other is that before I mentioned, what if I change highlights for news? So here, if I want to change highlight for news, I just need to select highlights and drag it around. And also if I want to create new ones, let me just make it a bit bigger. When I create new ones, as I have my stack spaced evenly, they are always going to be spaced evenly. That saves me a lot of time. And you can not only use text inside, you can also use, for example, frames. I can add a frame here, or you can add a logo, also move it around, and so on. So in this case, we're going to be done with our navbar. Let me just finish it here. And we'll put it here. Great. Perfect. So we have a navbar done. So what are other use cases of stacks? So stacks can be actually also placed within a stack. So if I see my layer panel right now, I have this frame, and then I have a stack and two small stacks here. And these two stacks are gonna be useful for me to arrange these cards within this content area. So as I wanted to do 2 rows, I created 2 stacks. One stack and another stack. Let's actually drag and drop the cards inside. You can just select the items and drag and drop them inside. Same here. Great. Now we have them there. As you see, there are 2 ways to work with stacks. Either you wrap them or you drag and drop the items inside. And once they are inside, you can literally just start moving them around. Also, as I have a bigger stack, I can also move the rows around and try different layouts. So there are like a lot of options of spacing. So I really encourage you to just have a look yourself and see how you like it. Also something interesting about stacks is that, it's about stacks and Framer in general, is that imagine now I want to change the width of this card. I have to change it, and here I have a white space, and I actually don't really like this white space. So you can always play with fraction widths. So you can always say, I want this card to always, the width of this card always needs to take the fraction of space left. You change it to fraction, and now if I actually change it, my card is always going to take the fraction of space left. So you never have this white space again. So I think that it gives quite a nice overview of stacks. If I missed something or you have any questions, just feel free to comment on the comment section downstairs. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.